It's me again. What's new today? I have an update on something I bought, and it's update on this. It's my, I don't know, anniversary, whatever. I bought this LEWINNER mic. Came with this adapter. It didn't come with this adapter. I bought this little adapter on Amazon so I can go to a USB to USB-C, I think this is. Came with a little wire. It's actually not a video about complaining about it. It came with a little case. I keep that in there. It came with the microphone and the earpiece, which are fine. My only problem I have is when, and this is an update, when you put it in here and you close it, that little button's right there. It hits the button, it turns it on. So in order to remedy this problem, I bought a Starfrit locking thing here. And you want to see if it fits in there. So I'm going to be putting this in there, along with my super duper instruction manual. Because, I really need these come out too. I was thinking if I buy another mic, I'll use this also. And then I'm just going to put this gadget. See, if I put it in here, it fits in there. This all fits in there like that. This way I have no problems with this mic turning. I had a problem with it a few times where I guess I bumped it. And the microphone basically was on for like, I don't know how long it was on for, but it all of a sudden started recording shit. So I'm going to not use this anymore. I mean, it's good. It's a good little case, but if you crimp it together, yeah, you're screwed. Plus it's waterproof and this isn't. And so yeah, that's my new microphone case. That takes care of that. What else do I got for you today? Today, where's my little rubber mat? I had a rubber mat around somewhere. Anyway, next video. Hope you like this one. Enjoy.